We forgot to set a collision with the ground. So let's make the egg gets destroyed when it collide with the ground. Open obj_ground and press add event, collision with the egg. Press on the main 1 tab, and drag over the bin. Set it to apply to other. Close the window, and test it. It works. The egg is getting destroyed when it hits the ground. Now we will make the player get some lives. Open the obj_frog. Open the create code block. And here we will set a variable called global.life equal 3. If you write global dot in front of a variable, you can reach that variable in every other object. We will do this in just a moment. Close the code block. I want the player to lose a life if the egg hits the ground. So I will go into the obj_ground, under the bin drag a code block. Here write, global.life equal 1. Here we reach the variable inside our frog object and takes 1 from it. But we want the game to end when the player don't have any more lives. Close the window, and open obj_frog and add a step event. Drag a code block. Write if open parentheses global.life smaller than 0, close parentheses. I want the game to end when the player don't have any lives. Remember to write open parentheses. I write game_end. Close parentheses. Let's test it. It worked. The game ended when I lost all 3 lives.